Yo, what's good, YouTube? Back at it again, man. And today let me start off like this first, man. You know what I'm saying? I finally got the car back, y'all. And like I said, it was a thermostat issue with this car. A lot of people, when they get the car, they won't really switch the thermostat, or even the dealership. The dealership in itself, the dealership won't switch the thermostat, water pump, or any of the major cooling internals or anything. So they'll just get the car, buy it, probably do like a tune-up or something small to it, and then sell the car. But that's probably what they did with this. They gave me a car with a fucked up water pump and shit. So I replaced the water pump and a thermostat. So that's what it really was, though. It was a thermostat. So I spent damn near, I'll say $1,200, $1,400 on parts, and without including the labor, just on a water pump and a thermostat. That shit is crazy. But yeah, man, we finna go over here to this muffler shop. It's in Federal Way. So we're gonna see. It's gonna be about a cool 30-45 minute drive. So I'm gonna just I'm gonna be posted up. I'm gonna try to set up the 360 camera so I could get y'all different views or whatnot. But if not, shit, it is what it is. I'm gonna just keep it pushing because I might be traffic. So yeah, well, I'll catch y'all when I get there. Oh, Scotty Packy? Bro, this should be boring by your fucking self. I ain't gonna hold you, nigga. I'll be what dugging, nigga. I'll be dugging. Shit, man. Seattle's so fucking boring. Look at this shit. This shit boring, bro. Ain't shit to do. It's always raining. Motherfuckers is always irritating, and people don't know how to drive, bro. That's one thing people don't know how to do out here is drive. Like, you could be merging and somebody will merge right in front of you while you're merging. It don't make sense. So I have to put this bitch on. Put this bitch in nurture. Put this bitch in nurture. What they say? Nurture. Put this bitch in nurture. You gotta put this bitch in nurture, gang. Folks. They ain't ready for all that, folks. Folks ain't ready for all that, folks. Look, he ain't trying to let me merge, folks. It's all good. I'm gonna merge over though. In due time. In doobly due time. Brother.
I can't leave my strap, that's a no-no. Hold on, nigga talking hands, he getting stolen. First down, I'm throwing bullets, pussy, nigga, go on. Niggas never talk about the shit that they done prolong. Back when we was yelling, go hard, you used to go home. Pussy niggas think you...
That shit is crazy. All this shit on. Chop that shit. My boy. Oh, these motherfuckers are huge.
Esa tienda la va a dar la torre. Espérame. Baja la vista, no fácil y todo, ¿no? Vale, la cosa va a estar.
Man, this shit finna be loud as fuck. This shit finna be loud as fuck. No cap. It's good. Yo, so no cap, that shit loud to the beast. That shit loud. Oh, I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I ain't finna hold you. You niggas finna hate me. Oh, yeah. The nigga say, oh, wee. Oh, wee. Yeah, man, but that was the little, you feel me? The little, you feel me? I had to get on the little muffler to lead with the 5-inch tips. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that was it for this video, y'all, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Shit, I hope y'all tuned in, man. Tune in, like, subscribe, man, and shit, catch y'all in another one. Peace.